Hello everyone. Welcome to Merit Article. Today, we're unveiling 10 unique travel challenges that will transform your journeys into unforgettable adventures. If you're ready for thrilling adventure quests, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into the world of travel challenges. Number 1, the Local Cuisine Challenge. Embrace the flavors of your destination with the Local Cuisine Challenge. Venture beyond your comfort zone and savor at least one traditional dish unique to the region you're visiting. Whether it's pad thai in Thailand, pho in Vietnam, or croissants in France, let your taste buds guide you on a cultural journey. This challenge isn't just about food, it's about connecting with locals, exploring their culinary traditions, and indulging in the heart of a place. As you dine at local eateries, street stalls, or family-owned restaurants, engage with the friendly locals for recommendations and anecdotes about their cuisine. Take it a step further by learning a few food-related phrases in the local language, enhancing your interactions and deepening your appreciation for the culinary heritage of your chosen destination. Number 2, the Off-the-Grid Challenge. Escape the digital noise with the Off-the-Grid Challenge. Spend at least one day of your trip without using your smartphone or electronic devices. Disconnect and immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, lounging on a beach, or exploring local markets, relish the simplicity of the moment. This challenge is an opportunity to rediscover nature, reflect, and appreciate the freedom of travel without digital distractions. As you embark on this adventure, consider carrying a journal to jot down your thoughts and observations. Take time to meditate, breathe in the fresh air, and notice the details of your surroundings. You'll be amazed at the beauty and serenity you can discover when you unplug and fully engage with the world around you. Number 3, the Random Acts of Kindness Challenge. The Random Acts of Kindness Challenge invites you to spread positivity during your travels by performing small yet meaningful acts of kindness. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, look for opportunities to make someone's day a little brighter. Offer to help a fellow traveler with their luggage, assist a local with directions, or simply buy a meal for a stranger in need. By embracing this challenge, you become a positive ambassador for your own culture and contribute to the enrichment of your travel experience. Remember that these acts of kindness not only create cherished memories but also inspire others you meet on your journey to pay it forward, creating a chain reaction of goodwill and connection. Number 4, the Language Leap Challenge. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can open doors to authentic cultural experiences and connections. The Language Leap Challenge encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and engage with locals in their native tongue. Whether you're bargaining at a market, ordering food at a local restaurant, or striking up a conversation with a street vendor, using even a few words in the local language demonstrates respect for the culture and often elicits warm responses from the people you encounter. Learning the local language not only enhances your travel experience, but also allows you to navigate your destination with greater ease and confidence. It's a rewarding challenge that leads to deeper cultural immersion and a deeper understanding of the places you visit. Additionally, consider using language learning apps or language exchange meetups to enhance your language skills further. Number 5, the Hidden Gem Challenge. The Hidden Gem Challenge invites you to go beyond the well-trodden tourist paths and seek out lesser-known attractions or undiscovered treasures in your destination. Whether it's an obscure museum, a tranquil park, a charming cafe, or a hidden viewpoint with breathtaking scenery, hidden gems can offer a deeper connection to the culture and history of a place. They often provide opportunities for unique encounters and a sense of discovery that goes beyond guidebooks and popular attractions. Embracing this challenge allows you to write your travel story with more than just the usual landmarks. It's a chance to uncover the hidden beauty that often lies just beneath the surface. To discover these hidden gems, strike up conversations with locals, consult online travel forums, or consider hiring a local guide who can unveil the secrets of your destination. Number 6, the Solo Selfie Challenge. The Solo Selfie Challenge adds a personal touch to your solo adventures. Capture your own memories by taking selfies at iconic landmarks or during moments of triumph. It's about creating a visual travelogue that documents your journey and showcases your sense of adventure. Share these selfies with friends and family to keep them updated on your travels and inspire them to embark on their own adventures. As you explore your destination, don't forget to experiment with different angles and lighting to capture the essence of each location in your selfies. Remember that these selfies aren't just pictures, they're a way to tell your unique travel story. Number 7. The Street Performer Challenge. The Street Performer Challenge encourages you to embrace local street culture. Seek out musicians, dancers, or artists performing on the streets, and immerse yourself in their artistry. By supporting these artists through applause or small donations, you not only enjoy their shows, but also connect with the community and the soul of your destination. Take a moment to strike up a conversation with the performers and learn about their journeys and inspirations, gaining a deeper appreciation for their craft. Street performances often reveal the heart of a place, making your travel experience richer and more culturally immersive. These moments also provide excellent opportunities for candid and vibrant photos, preserving the energy and passion of street performances. Number 8. The Souvenir Swap Challenge. The Souvenir Swap Challenge redefines souvenir collecting. Instead of buying typical mementos, exchange small items from your home country with locals you meet during your travels. In return, ask them to share something meaningful from their culture. This challenge fosters cross-cultural understanding, creates personal connections, and leaves you with unique souvenirs that hold stories and memories, enriching your travel experience. Additionally, documenting these exchanges through photos or a travel journal allows you to relive the moments and stories behind each souvenir when you return home. It's a heartfelt way to connect with the people you meet and carry a piece of their culture with you. These souvenirs serve as tangible reminders of the friendships and cultural exchanges that enriched your journey. Number 9. The Sunrise Surprise Challenge. The Sunrise Surprise Challenge invites you to wake up early and witness breathtaking sunrises at your destination. Set your alarm and venture to a scenic spot before dawn breaks. Whether you choose to watch the sun ascend over the ocean, illuminate a mountain peak, or paint the skyline of a bustling city, this challenge rewards you with moments of serene beauty and tranquility. As the world awakens, you'll experience a profound connection with nature and a sense of wonder that only early morning sunrises can offer. Capture these mesmerizing moments with your camera or simply soak in the peaceful ambience as you start your day with a sense of awe and gratitude. Number 10. The Travel Diary Challenge. The Travel Diary Challenge encourages you to keep a travel diary or journal during your journeys. Carrying a journal with you allows you to record your thoughts, experiences, and emotions in real time, creating a vivid and personal narrative of your adventures. Take a few moments each day to jot down your impressions, describe the places you visited, and reflect on the people you've met. By documenting your travels, you not only preserve your memories, but also gain deeper insights into your journey and personal growth. Your travel diary becomes a cherished keepsake, offering a glimpse into the past and serving as a source of inspiration for future adventures. So, whether you prefer to write by hand or keep a digital journal, embark on the Travel Diary Challenge and embark on a journey of self-discovery and storytelling. Thank you for joining us on these adventure quests. We hope these 10 unusual travel challenges inspire you to add a unique twist to your journeys. Remember, the world is full of surprises waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more amazing content. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.